for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem, age problem. So our problem is John is twice as old as his friend Peter. Peter is 5 years older than Alice. In 5 years, John will be 3 times as old as Alice. How old is Peter now? So we are going to find the age of Peter now. So if John is twice as old as his friend, so we put here 2x and x for Peter. So 5 years older than Alice is Peter, so we put here x minus 5. So we put John and Peter and Alice at plus 5. In solving this equation, we should find the age of Peter, and if John is 2x, which is 2x plus 5 will be equals 3 times, which is 3 parentheses the age of Alice, which is x minus 5 plus 5. We all know that minus 5 plus 5 is 0 and the remaining is x, so the equations, this is the equation. So 3x. So we should combine it like terms. So 3x minus 2x equals 5. So 3x minus 2x is x. So our x is 5. So this 5, the answer is, this is the Peter's age. And that's it. Now I'm gonna show you how to solve work problem. So this is our problem. Jay can mow the lawn in 50 minutes and Ralph can mow the lawn in 60 minutes. How long will it take for them to mow the lawn together? So first, we should make a table that indicate the rate, time, and the work done if they work together. So the work done of Jay is 1 over 50. Since this is our formula, work over time, and Ralph can work alone in 60 minutes, and we don't know the time yet. So our process is 1 over 50 plus 1 over 60 equals the work if they work together, 1 over x. If we compute this in the calculator, we come up with the x 27.27 minutes. This is the time will it takes if they work together. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to solve problem involving the rate variation. So this is the problem. The population of a certain species of bacteria varies directly with the temperature. When the temperature is 35 degrees, there are 7 million of bacteria. How many millions of bacteria are there when the temperature is 38 degrees? So this is our formula. P1 over B1 equals T2 over B2. This T indicates the temperature and this B indicates the bacteria. Since our given is 35 degrees, which is the temperature, over the bacteria, which is 7, equals the temperature of 38 degrees. And the question is how many millions of bacteria, so we don't know yet the bacteria, so we leave here B2. Then we cross multiply it. 35 B2 equals 7 times 38. If you multiply 35 B2 and multiply 7 times 38, which is 266. Divide both sides by 35, and we come up with the answer of 7.6. This is the total of bacteria in 38 degrees. This video, I'm gonna show you how to solve problem involving inverse variation. So this is our problem. If a box of sweets is divided among 24 children, each will get 5 sweets. How many would each get if the number of children is reduced by 4? So this is our formula. C sub 1 multiplied by S sub 1 equals C sub 2 multiplied by S sub 2. So we substitute the given, which is the 24 children and the 5 sweets. Times 5 equals, if we reduce the 24 children to 4, we come up with a 20. We multiply it. Since we don't know yet the number of sweets divided each of them, we leave here S up 2. So 24 times 5, which is 120, equals S up 2. We divided both sides by 20, and our S up 2 is equals to 6. This is the total of sweets given by the 20 children that reduced by 4. So this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve uniform motion problem. So this is our first problem. Two trains leave the same station at the same time, traveling in opposite directions. Train A travels at a speed of 60 miles per hour and train B travels at a speed of 80 miles per hour. How long will it take for the trains to be 280 miles apart? Since our given is the speed of the train A, which is the 60, put here the 60, and the given of train B at a speed of 80. Since we don't know the time of how long will it take for them to be 280 miles apart, we just leave here an X. Since our formula is rate times time equals to distance, so which is we multiply this rate and time, so 60x. Then we just add the distance of train A and train B. Equals to the 280 miles apart. In adding these two distance, we come up with 140x equals 280. Multiply both sides by 140. So our x here is 2. So this is the total time of them to be 280 miles apart. This video, I'm gonna show you how to solve problems involving digits. So this is our problem. The tens digit of a number is 3 times the ones digit. The sum of the digits in the number is 8. What is the number? So we let x here be the tens digit and we let y here be the ones digit. So this is our equation. Our x is equals to the 3y. It's because the tens digit is 3 times to the ones digit, which is y. So this is our equation. By adding these two digits, we come up with the number, or the sum of it is 8. So since our x and y here can't be added, so we let here our x be the 3y plus the y, which is the 1's digit, equals 8. So we add 3y plus y, which is 4y, equals 8. We divide both sides by 4. And we come up with the answer 2. So this is our y. So in finding our x, or so in finding x, we just substitute here our x is equals to 3y. Since our x is equals to 3y, we substitute our y, which is 2, and we just multiply it. So our x here is 6. So we satisfy the number x, y is equals to the number, we just substitute our x, which is 6, and our y, which is 2. So this is the number. If we add these two numbers, it is equals to the number 8 to satisfy this given equation.